What's a couple of examples, Richard, of total permanent disability?
So if you had a really bad back problem and you were unable to perform your usual occupation, then you could put in a TPD claim that you would pay a benefit, in the event that you could satisfy that particular medical condition.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So just stepping in there, Rich, the definitions generally provide for different types of conditions. There might be a loss of use of limbs, the event of an accident, and different types of capacity. So, it all comes down to, I guess we can't list off lots and lots of different conditions, but it is sort of developed to cover all sorts of different scenarios, which may lead to someone not being able to return to their occupation for the rest of their life, and the insurance is there to obviously, hopefully provide the difference of what they would have got in their superannuation up until retirement.
Yes. Yeah, great. Thanks, Ed. Thanks, Richard.
So with income protection, it's covering, again, injury or illness that's temporarily causing that member total disability. So by total disability, they're incapacitated and unable to perform their own occupation. Now, there's different definitions, but in the Christian Super Policy, it is an own occupation definition. So if you were to become disabled and unable to do your own occupation, then following what's known as a waiting period, and for Christian Super, there's a 60-day waiting period from the date that you cease to be able to perform your own occupation. And at the end of that 60 days, we'll release what's called a benefit. Now, that benefit is calculated as 75% of the member's income. When members apply for income protection cover, there's a unit of cover which equals $100 monthly benefit. So depending on the number of units that member has, we'll pay a benefit for a maximum of 2 years. And at the end of that 2 years, the benefit will cease. So it provides a regular income stream for members whilst they're unable to perform their own occupation.